Right, exactly right. The money printing and the central bank policies, as you point out, it is basically a pyramid scheme that came into existence in force in 1971. And the people who owned assets back then were able to ride the pyramid scheme for 45 years as more money is being printed and the value of those assets goes up, like Park Avenue apartments, like fine art, like chateaus. These are the things that are owned by the folks that started this pyramid scheme, that are the purveyors of this pyramid scheme. And the racial inequality exacerbated. It got worse. And also just basically the divide between rich and poor in America is at its most extreme because of this pyramid scheme, for this reason, by design.
Right, and it's by design, whether ill-intentioned or not. That is the fact of this fiat system that we have, is the pyramid scheme nature of it and why we have to keep on expanding debt. If you look back to 1971 versus today, you see a huge pile of debt. But the other thing is that you'll see a lot of, say, the Democratic Party, the progressive side of politics, says we need to end these wealth and income gaps between the sexes and the genders and between the races. So let's look at, they'll often say they totally support the central bank and they totally support printing more money. You'll see, by and large, it's the Democrats who will support that position in America.